Hello, welcome to Travel World Online. First, the headlines. Chief Minister Nitish Kumar plans a roadmap to promote tourism in Bihar. Non-resident Telangana'ites will be ambassadors of Telangana tourism. Employment rate increases in tourism and hospitality sectors. Now, the news in detail. Chief Minister Nitish Kumar directed senior officials to prepare a roadmap for promotion of tourism in Bihar as it can help increase employment rate and promote economic development. Presiding over a review meeting of the tourism department with top officials, he asked them to work on all aspects of the sector for preparing a roadmap for its integrated development in Bihar. Kumar said professional experts of tourism industry and others having in-depth understanding of this sector should be consulted for preparation of the roadmap. The Buddhist circuit, Mahatma Gandhi circuit, Siva Shakti circuit for Kanwariyas, Ramayana circuit, Jain circuit and other tourist places must be developed for economic growth of Bihar, he said. The Chief Minister directed Chief Secretary Anjani Kumar Singh to include Art and Culture Department in the comprehensive roadmap for the tourism sector. Kumar said that Bihar will host two important functions in 2017, Prakashotsav on the occasion of Guru Govind Singh's 350th birth anniversary and centenary celebrations of the Champaran Satyagraha, which was led by Mahatma Gandhi in 1917. He asked the officials to set up a dedicated team for preparation of the two events and submit a work plan to conduct the two events within a month. He also gave his consent for setting up Indian Institute of Tourism and Trade Management at Bodh Gaya for promotion of tourism and asked the Tourist Department to submit a proposal in this regard. The Telangana Tourism Department is planning to introduce personalized and specialized tourism packages in a bid to attract more foreign tourists. The state is hopeful of using the services of non-resident Telangana'ites to promote Telangana tourism in a big way in their respective countries. According to the plans prepared by the government, the NRIs from Telangana will convince foreigners to tour and explore the beauty and cultural heritage of Telangana, especially Hyderabad. The NRTs, after booking tickets, will see off the foreigners from the airports and the tourism department officials will receive them at RGIA airport in Hyderabad. Vehicles and guides will be available for tourists to visit different locations. Besides, the tourism department will put a sticker on the vehicles carrying foreign tourists. A badge will also be provided to the tourists to wear on their shoulders so that the tourists can be easily identified and provided special treatment at tourist spots. Eateries and shopping malls will be notified by the government. Tourism Department Secretary B. Venkatesham held a preliminary round of discussion for introduction of personalized package tours for foreigners. Participants included hoteliers, GMR airport officials, airline operators, Telangana NRIs from South Africa, US, UK and Bahrain and other countries. The department will also come out with a separate Telangana tourism policy. Officials said the hoteliers have agreed to reserve 5% of their rooms for tourism department, which will be used for foreign tourists. Several airlines operators have agreed to provide tickets at concessional rates for this foreign tourist package. Our aim is to increase the tourist footfall from the present 1 lakh per year to 10 lakh by 2020, Venkatesham said. India Tourism Ministry working to increase employment potential in tourism and hospitality sector. Manpower requirement of tourism and hospitality sector is market driven. The ministry drives its efforts through the institutes of hotel management, food craft institutes, state tourism development corporations and the classified hotels amongst others. The Ministry of Tourism also aims to sustain the efforts to test and formally certify the skills of the existing service providers in the sector. Ministry's evaluation of employment by 2022 are as follows. hotels 2.30 million, travel agents and tour operators 0.66 million. Tourism Minister Mahesh Sharma said the ministry would meet the expanding demand of skilled and trained manpower by providing hospitality education to students as well as certifying and upgrading skills of existing service providers. The annual play outlay for the year 2015-16 for the scheme of assistance to IHMS, FCI, IITTM, NCHMCT was rupees 165 crore, and that for the scheme of capacity building for service providers was rupees 88.05 crore. Thank you. Myself Neeraj Adivate. For more updates, keep watching Travel World Online.